Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to allow messages from server members on Discord. This feature is essential for enhancing communication within your servers, especially if you're looking to connect with new friends or collaborate on projects. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do that. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see an option that says You. Go ahead and tap on that to access your profile. Next, in the top right corner, you'll spot a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Tap on that to open the settings page. Now scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. It's important for managing your communications and keeping your experience enjoyable. Under Privacy and Safety, look for the option titled Server Privacy Defaults. This is where the magic happens. To allow messages from server members, simply toggle the option to turn on Allow Messages from Server Members. Once you enable this setting, you'll be able to receive direct messages from other members in the server, making it easier to connect and engage with your community. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to allow messages from server members on Discord. This small adjustment can greatly improve your interactions within the platform. Thanks for joining me today, and happy chatting on Discord.